Hello friends! So, is your car overheating or maybe the cooling fan just isn't working right? In this video, I'll explain what P0526 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. Now, the P0526 code stands for Cooling Fan Speed Sensor Circuit Range or Performance. This means the Engine Control Module, or ECM, has detected a problem with the cooling fan speed sensor signal. The cooling fan is what helps regulate engine temperature, and if the sensor fails, the fan might run too slow, too fast, or not at all. Common symptoms of P0526 include check engine light on, engine overheating, the cooling fan running constantly or not at all, poor air conditioning performance, and sometimes even strange noises coming from the fan motor. If you notice any of these symptoms, let's figure out where that faulty sensor might be. So, where do you actually find these components? To diagnose P0526, you'll want to check these key parts. The cooling fan speed sensor, which is usually found inside or near the radiator fan assembly, the cooling fan motor and relay, which are typically mounted right on the radiator, usually at the front of your engine bay, and the engine control module, or ECM, which you'll find under the hood or sometimes inside the dashboard, since it controls the fan operation. Don't forget to check the wiring and connectors running from the cooling fan motor to the ECM and the fuse box. Oh, and here's a quick tip. A blown fuse or a bad relay can also trigger the P0526 code. Alright, let's talk about some of the most common causes of the P0526 code. First up, a faulty cooling fan speed sensor. Basically, this sensor just isn't sending the right signal to the ECM. Next, you might have a cooling fan motor failure. If the fan motor is bad, it just won't spin at the correct speed. Another thing to keep in mind is a blown fuse or a faulty relay. If these components fail, the fan won't get any power at all. Damaged wiring or connectors are also a big culprit. Broken wires can totally interrupt communication with the ECM. And finally, an ECM malfunction could be the issue, since a bad ECM may fail to regulate the fan speed properly. So how do you fix a P0526 code? Well, here's what you need to do. First, use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0526 code. Then inspect the cooling fan speed sensor and replace it if it's faulty. Next, check the cooling fan motor and make sure it's spinning just right. After that, test the fan relay and fuse and replace them if they're blown. Now don't forget to inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for any damaged wires or loose connections. And finally, reset the code and take your car for a test drive to see if the fan operates normally. Just a quick heads up, the P0526 code can actually cause some serious overheating issues if you ignore it. Fixing it quickly not only prevents engine damage, but also keeps your AC working efficiently. So, yeah, it's definitely worth taking care of as soon as possible.